Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, shopping, DIYs, all that. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button on there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's haul is a Dollar Tree haul. I also have my Dollar Tree nail polish on. My nails are finally long. I was like, I'm painting them. But yeah, welcome to a Dollar Tree haul. We have Dollar Tree haul today. And it's a huge one. This is literally the first half of this video. If I don't make it like 2 parts, whatever. This is all from one store, and I spent $62. And the reason is in a couple days, everything is going up to $1.50. They told me. HBC, everything in HBC will be $1.50 and up. They'll have like a $4 section, like a display that's probably all over TikTok. That you guys seen, that probably all of you have seen, like that big makeup display of like $4 stuff. So that will be there, and everything's going up to $1.50 and up. So when she told me that, I almost cried and vomited in the store, literally. So I was like, she was like, stock up now. I was like, bet. So I stocked up on all my favorite products, stuff that I'll do for gift bags, Christmas, stuff for me and family, and stuff. I stocked up now, hence why I spent $60. Because once it's $1.50 and up, I'm so turned off by some stuff. So I stocked up on my stuff because it's $1.25 now. When I post this, I don't know if it will be $1.50 by then. We'll see. But yeah, so there's a little tea. Everything's going up to $1.50 and up. Lovely. Anyway, let's get into this. So the first thing I got is I did get some drink mixes. These are the best. This is peach iced tea, and then this is just mango orange Sunkist. These are so good. Zero sugar. Yeah, zero sugar, only 5 calories. Yeah, these are fantastic. So got those. Then I got I got the little wood frames, 4-piece wood frames. So got these for DIYs. And yeah, but also that's just the information I got. So I don't know if it's completely true or not, by the way, so don't like take my complete word for it, but that's just what I got told, by the way. And she said definitely the red, everything red tagged is definitely going up to $1.50. So we know that. So I got my favorite facial pads with the bag because my favorite. Then got, this was the last one, so I was like, it's meant to be. It's the orange Gimme Kitty Kiss. This collection is $1, gonna be $1.50. I know that. So I got her. Then we got the eyeliner felt tip pen in Book of Curses, and this is in black. Yeah, I realized I can do felt tip eyeliner and not pencil. So I was like, you know what? Let's get this. So we got her. Then I did find something new. This is the Planet Goody hair ties, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 8 in here, and look how cute these are. So this is the first set. So we have this little set colors, and then we have these colors. So these are definitely new. Like, I love Goody brand, so love the new hair. Then restocked on the chocolate boba tea. So we know we have the new teas, and I was like, I want the old ones so I can have like a whole tea collection of lip gloss. So we got the chocolate boba, and then we got the creamy caramel. This is my ultimate favorite freaking scent. Got that. Then we got the grapefruit little kitty cat lip balm. This is going in a gift basket, actually. So that's for that. Then, actually, I don't know if this has always been $1.25, but the Barbie and the Spider-Man sunscreen is $1.25. So I was like, you know what? Why not stock up? And this expires in 2026. So it's like, why not get this while it's a good sale? Sunscreen's always essential. So we got the Barbie sunscreen for $1.25. Then got my favorite ampoule face mask. My favorite one. Then my ultimate favorite little cloths. I use these to dry my hair. I use them to wash my face. These are just a multi-use everything. So I got that. Then my favorite rice mask. Got a restock on her. Then these are making a comeback of the Fruit little elastic bands. I love these, especially for travel. So I just got the little, not banana, lemon hair ties. Then I need to restock on my little oodles and noodles post-it notes. Okay, literally though, like, how cute are these little post-its? So, got her. Then, got a restock on my favorite snail serum. I was like, this is going up to $1.50. I have to get it now. So I did. So, got her. Then, we got the fabric markers, but in these neon colors this time. So, for $1.25, these are a fantastic deal. So, we got her. Then, we got these reusable mason jar snack bags that stand up. Perfect to make like fruit or salads or whatever. So we got that. Then I got this really cute notebook. I'm obsessed with how it looks. So we just got her, super cute. Then we got the USB vacuum. So like, you know what? I'm sick of everything around my computer getting all dirty. So I'm gonna attach this to my Mac and vacuum around me. So we got that. Then I got my two favorite freaking sponges with the cases. We have this one and this one. These are literally my favorite ever. And these are the only, like, I never see them at the store. They were stocked. So I got one of each of those. Now on to our next bag. A lot of the stuff are gifts too, so it's not just all for me. But anyway, so we got the lip plumper in magenta as a gift bag. Then we got the watermelon. I do love these. So with the watermelon. And then the plum. Love these, love these. So got those. Then my favorite freaking brow and eyelash gel serum. Saw it again. Got it. I don't know why I only got one, to be honest. But got her. Then again, for the little beauty box I'm doing, I got the dragon fruit lip and cheek balm. Then this blush I haven't seen in forever, and I was like, I want it. So it's the blush, liquid blush in soft pink. I love a good soft pink on the cheeks. So got her. Then I love these. These are the Power Cleansing Wipes with dual texture, 3 benefits in 1. I love these. So got another one of her. Then I wanted to try the color correcting Conceal Correct in green. Covers redness. I have a ton of redness. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera. And I do like the foundation for this. So I'm like, I'm going to try this. So I will do, this will be part of my video, Dollar Tree video. So we got her. Then my favorite lip balms are going in a basket. But this is the Peach Lip Glaze. And the, what is this, Green Apple Lip Glaze. This collection is going up to $150. It's so sad. So I got those. Then we got the Red Cat Lip Balm for the cat bag I'm doing. Then we got the little Mint Chip Ice Cream Cone Lip Balm. I freaking love the packaging of this. The scent, I love the whole thing about it. So I got her. Then we got the LA Colors Savage Lip Crayon. I love the color and love the name. So, yes please. Then we got the Snail Serum, of course. I mean, moisturizer, of course, to go with our serum. I just literally love this stuff. So, got her. Then last thing for this $60 store is I got the deodorant in Island Crush. Don't remember ever seeing this one. If I did, oh well, travel bag. But yeah, we got her. So that is it from the one store that I spent $60 on because everything's going up. So there is that. Okay, 2 stores. So first, I got these Annie Fruit Friends Organic Apple Spinach Fruit Sauce in the pouch. And yes, these are $1.25. So we have these. Find some, put it on the table. Then we have Fruit Friends Transformers Organic Cinnamon Apple in the pouch, $1.25. Yeah, literally run to Dollar Tree for these. $1.25 for this and that. Literally, yeah, amazing. Everything I'm showing you is $1.25 except for two things, which I'll tell you. Then we got this magic rainbow ball, work, class, and home. So it's like a little ball, and you scramble the colors and you push the colors through the balls, and you have to match them. I don't know, but I feel like this would be good for me because when I need to focus, this is gonna help, you know? So we got that. Then I got another set of the hotel keychains. This was the last set of these, and red tag, which means $1.50 and up. So I got these from my DIYs. Then oldie, but I got this vanilla sugar scent body mist. One, it's so full. Two, this is a good like little stocking gift. So got that. Then I got another set of the acne patches, the non-medicated acne patches. I love these. And how cute is that print? So we got her. Then we got this LA Colors Color Craze with polish with hardeners. And the name of this is Jelly Squirt. I don't know who came up with the names, but girl. Like, we kidding. But how cute. And it comes with a little gummy bear nail file, and this color is so pretty, so we got her. And because the name was so funny, I was like, alright. So then whenever I see this makeup remover pen, I will grab it. I don't care how many I have. These are fantastic. I feel like this camera's so far away. Then we got a restock on the lip oil in Pink Magic. I love this one. It was the only one there. And I was like, okay, meant to be. So we got her. Then we got the other patches in the flower and heart. I love these. So we got those. I have a basket on the floor that I put everything in and then I unpack it. You know what I mean? Okay, these are new. We have these lip glosses. And this is in Grape Berry. Oh, that sounds so good. Grape Berry. And they're little hearts. How cute. So we have Grape Berry. Then we have Sweet Cherry, okay, with a little red heart. And then my favorite one, honestly, is the bubblegum flavored. So little lip balms. How cute are those? Then I did get a restock on my favorite Bobble, Invisibobble hair ties. So in the brown. So okay, then also another favorite restock is what I'm wearing right now. The Go From Color to Your Unique Color Lip Balm. My favorite thing ever. I'm wearing it right now. I love this thing. So, restocked. Then we have some new cosmetic bags. How cute is this? And first off, these are big. So cute. It's like velvet felt. So we got the green one. We got the pink one. And these are nice. And then, of course, the last one is blue. And then they had a really light pink, but I just wasn't a fan. Then, my favorite find are, what are these? Mini tumblers, 2 ounces. What am I going to do with these? I don't know. And the cashier was like, take shots. I'm like, yeah, you're right. But these are so cute, literally. So, mini Stanleys. So, we got purple. We have turquoise. In my opinion, this is turquoise. We have dark blue, which I love. And then this to me is like magenta. So we got our 4 little mini tumblers. If you guys have ideas like what to do with these or what you would do, let me know. But these are so cute. Definitely shots though for the beach or something. Fun. Okay, then I got the Lip Jelly in Rose. Love her. And then just another restock before it goes up. The strawberry and cotton candy little teddy bear lip balms. I love these. And I know I have a pineapple. Yeah, the sweet pineapple, my favorite scent. I swear, yeah. And then I also have the guava pineapple, which is ultimate favorite. Then I did get the Going Places travel journal. I think this is so fun, especially because I go a lot of places not yet. So why not journal it? So fun. Then the 2 items that were $1.50. I got the all black Halloween tree. And I got this. I wanted the all black one because I'm gonna do like I'm gonna keep this up all year round and decorate it for every season on this. I don't know. I think it's so cute and cool. In my head, it's a good idea. So I got her. And then I did get this collapsible bin. Love the color. These are huge. So we got her. So that is it from, actually that was one store. So we got the kabuki brushes in every color. So we got black, pink, and white, and these are so cute. And I love kabuki brushes, so we got those. Then I found this Peachy Queen in the Beauty Intuitions lipstick, lip gloss. I think this is so pretty. So we got her, and I love the name. Then I love this hand soap by Power Stick. It's just the Brazilian Mist hand soap. But that completes this haul, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment your opinions on the price tags, your favorite item, what you're in line for, what I should be in line for, video suggestions, all that. So definitely subscribe, share the channel. See you guys next one.